Alright, so what y'all looking at today is a plumbing project. Because, well, we're American tradesmen. We do all the trades. There it goes. Let's tear down! Anyway, the reason for this getting started up is this fiberglass tank was leaking, had been patched, all kind of junk. Say hey, Charlie. Hey, Charlie. All right. And I also need to add a water line. Pardon the mess here. I'm gonna add a water line across here to Charlie's pen. The girls are at school, so I figured this was a perfect time to go pick up a new tank and do some plumbing modifications while I was not restricting them from water access today. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this thing. The way that I like to do a project, I like to start in one spot and go to the end. Now I've already kind of got me a game plan on how I want to do all this stuff. There was a reason for all of the unions that you're going to see coming out of here, and I won't get into all of that, but they are no longer needed. Yep. All right, we're going to get some more of this junk off of here. It's all sitting over there. Maybe you can see it a little bit. Yes, the power is off. Double check, triple check, nobody's at home. All of that happiness. Hit y'all up whenever I get this sorted in here. So this side we'll consider done. Now for the fun. Now here's my tank outlet. I'm gonna hit it right down there. That's what I'm shooting for. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and stub out where I've got a good overhead look down. Again, I'm working my way this way. We started over there on our power and water supply coming to the tank, pressure valves, all that stuff's done. So now we're going to come over here, hit this, and we've got to go back over that way and catch the little building out back here, little mother-in-law suite, and then we're going to run a new line that way to the dog pen. got to change over to 3/4 because when I go that line that way and this one this way, we're gonna be running 3/4. I'm gonna go ahead and glue that in down there. I've already Tefloned that. I don't know if the camera will pick up that or not. Snug this in there. There's our water supply to this little building right here. I hope that shows up. Yeah, it looks like it does. All right, you see this color blue here? And it changes there. That's a sweat line. That cold water coming out. All right, so we got a few pulls in. I had some phone calls I had to take and some phone calls I had to make. So we'll finish pulling this in. I know that this area right here, roughly, has got a, matter of fact, I see it. There it is, right there. That's what I was hunting. I knew there was a line buried. That's what we were looking out for. So, and it's right over there. So we're gonna leave that alone. We know where it's at now. Yeah. Okay. Charlie, stop. That'll hurt. Okay. Let's finish pulling this in. Water line is down. One thing I forgot, and I didn't show a while ago, I wanted to add a spigot back here, and I already had that piece already kind of prefabbed up. So I cut and put me a T in and threaded that. So now, moment of truth. If y'all hear me over that rattling air conditioner, let's see if we got any leaks. Oh, which way? That way. Let's see what we got. Water going down. Everything looks good here. I think I left maybe a faucet open think I left a faucet open around here. Check that. I did. Yeah, that screen's gonna be clogged up. No biggie. See if we got the waters over here. Not seeing any leaks anywhere. Well, that's ideal. Now, we got us some water out here at Charlie's pen. Cool. Well, then it's time to go get the box blade and cover all this up before my bride gets home. Make her happy and stuff. Because that's what I do. I make her happy. I make her extremely happy. Don't we, Charlie? Hey, we really appreciate y'all watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Just a little plumbing project. Doing some more old tradesman kind of stuff. So catch y'all on the next one. See you around.